Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be customizing our orders view. What we want to do is select our orders tab on our left-hand panel. And once we're inside of here, we can start by customizing some of these filters that are up top. Now, if any of them don't apply to what you're trying to look for or filter for, you can simply select the three dots, remove some of these filters, and you can also add new filters by hitting the More button. And in here, there may be things that you would like to see and filter by, and you can select them and they'll add to your headers up top. The same applies down below to these columns. Depending on what you deem relevant, you can add or remove specific columns. You can also drag and drop them in places that would make more sense for your daily operation. Now, if I wanted to remove or add, I can simply select these columns button here and then scroll down and either select or deselect anything that I want or don't want on this screen. And once I hit apply, they'll update and be pushed to the end of my columns, and I can simply drag and drop them where I want them. Now, once I have them in a position that I'm comfortable with, I can save this as my default view so that every time I log in, it's the same view that I have set, or I can save it as an ongoing report that I may visit from time to time. And this is how you customize your orders view.